Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to, let's say you want to 3D print an airplane and you want the windows to be inscribed into the print itself. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how to do that. And this was a question from one of my subscribers, how would you go about doing that? So we'll go ahead and do that. So first of all, we have a mock-up of this fuselage of this airplane here. So the first thing you do after you have this, let me take a look at this. Okay. What I'm going to do is go ahead and make this a solid body. And to do that, just patch let me turn these canvases off first. Just patch the ends. Then stitch it all together. Okay, now this is a solid body. Turn the canvases back on. And now I'm going to trace the outline of this window. So come over here to create sketch on this plane here. I'm going to use a 2-point rectangle. Turn off the body. Put a fillet here. Go ahead and finish sketch. Now this is done. Now I'm going to turn the bodies back on. And I'm going to use a split body here. And this fuselage is the body to split. And the splitting tool is going to be this. Oh, don't forget to hit that subscribe button also. All right. Now that is split. We turn off the canvas. We don't need it right now. As you can see, now this is two bodies here. This one and this one. And this goes all the way through the other side as well. So now what we do, come up here to modify, and we're going to use an offset face. Click that. And this side here and the other side. And I'm going to offset this a -1. Actually, a -0.5. Now, the offset distance that you're going to use is going to be dependent how thick you make this fuselage. Right now, it's just solid. Now, let's say if this were 1 millimeter thick here, then I would not want to offset this more than the thickness of this, because if you do, it's not going to, when I combine the two back together, it's not going to combine. Now we have those two selected at 0.5. Okay. Now, as you can see here, this is offset down in here. And look at the other side here. And that's offset in there too, like that. Now what we do is just come up here to combine. And we're going to combine this. And this is a tool body. And click OK. Now this is all one body again. But now we have the offset that we need in here. So when we 3D print this, this offset will be down in here for the window. And it's just that simple to do that. So now let's shell this. And I'm going to cancel this. Going to do it this way. Just create a sketch on this plane here. And I'm going to draw a line from here. Now, do another center diameter. I drew that line in there so I knew where the center of this would be. Now I'm just going to extrude this. Change this to cut. And we have that. And as you can see, that's inset there like that. And so the inset here, like I said, do not make it smaller, or excuse me, larger than the thickness of this. So if this is 1 millimeter thick, I would do the offset no greater than 0.5. Actually 0.1, a negative 0.1, a negative 0.2 would be fine to do the where that line would show up like that on your 3D print. And you do the front windows just like the windows here, same thing. So, excuse me. So if I were to do that, I'd create a sketch, this plane here. Fit point spline. Okay. Then finish sketch. Then come up here to split body. This is the body to split. The splitting tool is this. And we click OK. And we have that. You can turn off the canvases. Now here, come up to modify and offset face. Select this, and then I would just make this a negative 0.5 and click OK. And that's offset. Inside there like that. Then come back up here to combine. This is the target body. This is the tool body, and click OK. And as you can see, now that's inset, but this is all the body. So if I come up here to bodies, now when I turn off the bodies, this one will not turn off over here because it's not part of this, as you can see there. And these two are part of this. You turn off the lines here. And by turning off the lines, now you can see those are inset like that, or So you print that, you'll have that in there like that. And this one over here, as you notice, we didn't offset at all. So it would not show up. Even though it's cut out, but it, well, if you printed this, this wouldn't even show up at all. It would just be open here because it's not part of this. But yeah, so that's how you do that. Not too difficult to do. But yeah, that's how you do the windows, get them inset so they will 3D print. So that's going to do it for this video. And if you have any questions about this or anything, go ahead and leave them down in the comments, or you can send me an email or contact me on my Facebook group or my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. Go over there and have a look. And on my Patreon site, I can give you more help if you need help. And but if you are on my Facebook group, there are a lot of people over there who are great people. They will help you as well as I will. So yeah, go ahead and take a look. Join the sites if you want to. And that's going to do it for this short little video. And I hope you have a great weekend.
Subscribe for more.